Tina the tiny turtle. Tina was the smallest turtle in the pond. The frogs could jump. The ducks could swim fast. The dragonflies could fly. But Tina, she just took little, slow steps. One day, the pond held a big pond race. Everyone laughed when Tina joined. "You are too slow," said the frogs. Tina smiled and said, "I just want to try." The race began. Splash. Sip. Zoom. Everyone rushed ahead. But the frogs got tired. The ducks got lost. The dragonflies flew too far. Tina kept going, step by step. Guess who crossed the finish line? Tina the tiny turtle. Everyone cheered. From that day on, Tina wasn't just the smallest, she was the bravest turtle in the pond. Moral of the story: believe in yourself, even when others doubt you.
Don't forget to subscribe.